there, Health Legacy TV family. Welcome back to your go-to channel for all things health, wellness, and vitality. Today we're diving into a topic that impacts every single one of us more than we might realize. Our gut health. Did you know your gut is often called your second brain? It's true. A healthy gut influences everything from your mood and energy to your skin and immunity. But what happens when our gut isn't so healthy?
So in this video, we'll break down the key signs of an unhealthy gut and exactly what you can do to get it back on track. This information could be a game changer for you, so stick around to learn all the ways a healthy gut can improve your quality of life.
And of course, don't forget to subscribe to Health Legacy TV so you never miss out on powerful health tips like these. If you have not subscribed our channel Health Legacy TV yet, please subscribe it now and also press the bell icon to get the regular update of videos like this.
Alright, let's start with the basics. When we talk about the gut, we're mainly talking about our digestive system, especially the stomach and intestines. But it's not just about digesting food. The gut is home to trillions of bacteria, viruses, and fungi, also known as the microbiome. This microbiome helps with digestion, nutrient absorption, and even mood regulation. And, believe it or not, a healthy gut can impact everything from sleep quality to energy levels. Our gut is directly linked to our brain through something called the gut-brain axis, which means any imbalance here can also affect our mental health. Fascinating, right? So let's dive into the telltale signs that your gut might be calling out for help.
Now, you might be wondering, how do I know if my gut is in trouble? Great question. Here are some of the biggest signs of an unhealthy gut that you don't want to ignore.
Gas, bloating, diarrhea, and constipation are some of the most common signs. If you're often feeling uncomfortable or off after meals, it might mean your gut bacteria are out of balance, making it hard to break down certain foods.
Ever feel tired all the time, no matter how much sleep you get? Poor gut health could be the reason. An imbalanced gut can mess with your sleep cycles, leading to constant fatigue. And on top of that, 90% of our body's serotonin, a hormone that impacts mood and sleep, is actually produced in the gut.
If you're suddenly sensitive to foods that you used to digest just fine, it could indicate gut issues. When our gut lining is damaged, it may allow particles to leak into the bloodstream, triggering food sensitivities.
Have you noticed frequent breakouts, eczema, or even rosacea? Research shows that our skin is a reflection of our internal health, including our gut. When the gut is inflamed, it often shows up on the skin.
Our gut and brain are more connected than we think. Poor gut health can influence mood and lead to anxiety and depression. Remember that gut-brain axis we talked about earlier?
If you're gaining or losing weight without trying, your gut health could be involved. An unhealthy gut may impair your body's ability to absorb nutrients, store fat, or even regulate blood sugar, which can cause those shifts in weight.
Now that we know the signs, let's talk about the reasons behind an unhealthy gut. Here are some of the biggest culprits. Eating too much sugar, processed foods, or artificial sweeteners can wreak havoc on gut health by feeding bad bacteria while starving the good ones. Stress isn't just in your head, it impacts your gut too. Chronic stress can alter your gut bacteria and slow down digestion, which disrupts the balance of your microbiome. A good night's sleep is essential for a healthy gut. Poor sleep can affect the balance of bacteria and make your gut more prone to inflammation. While antibiotics can be life-saving, they can also kill off good bacteria along with the bad, leading to an imbalance in your gut.
So, what can we do to turn things around? Here are some effective ways to heal and restore a healthy gut. Fiber feeds those beneficial gut bacteria and helps with digestion. Foods like apples, bananas, oats, and legumes are fantastic for gut health.
Probiotics are the good bacteria that help balance your gut, while prebiotics are the foods that feed those bacteria. Try adding more yogurt, sauerkraut, kimchi, and garlic to your diet for a natural boost.
Take time for self-care, whether it's through meditation, deep breathing exercises, or simple relaxation techniques. Stress management is key to keeping your gut happy.
Aiming for 7 to 8 hours a night can do wonders for your gut health. Quality sleep allows your body to heal and restore a healthy balance.
Water is crucial for digestion and nutrient absorption. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day to keep things moving smoothly in your gut.
Limit sugary snacks, fast food, and artificial sweeteners as they feed harmful bacteria. Go for whole, unprocessed foods whenever you can.
Sometimes, adding a high-quality probiotic supplement can provide the extra support you need to boost your gut health.
There you have it, Health Legacy TV family. The key signs of an unhealthy gut and some practical steps to get it back on track. Remember, your gut plays a huge role in your overall health, and even small changes can make a big difference.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends and family who might benefit from this information. And of course, make sure you're subscribed to Health Legacy TV for more health tips that keep you at your best.
Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay healthy and keep that gut happy.